Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how you can create a new database objects, and data type. Creating a new database. There are three ways to create a database in MS Access. They are creating a blank database using a template from Microsoft Office Online. Now let us try to create a new database. For that, double click on Access icon. Now you get a window. From File tab, select New option. Then click on Blank Database. Type database name on the text box of file name located on the right side of the window. Then click on Create button. Now a new database named School is created. Database objects. Various objects can be created in MS Access. Let us discuss some of it. Table. Tables are used to store data in the form of rows and columns. Query. A query is used to extract information from the database. For example, select employee details where employee ID equal to 2. Forms. Forms provide an interface that lets the user view, enter and change data in the table. Report. Reports are used to display the information stored in a database for printing purpose. Components of a table. A table has three components: field, record, and primary key. Field. The columns in a table are known as field. Every field has a data type that determines the type of values that is stored in it. Record. The rows in a table are known as records. A record stores complete information about an object or an item. Primary key. It is a field or combination of fields that uniquely identifies the records in a table. A primary key field cannot have repetitive values and cannot be left blank. Data type. Data type means what kind of data is to be stored in each field. MS Access provides different data types and each type has a specific purpose. Text. Text data type allows you to store alphanumeric letters. For example, name and address. Number. Number data type is used for entering numeric data. For example, phone number and PIN code. Currency. Currency data type allows you to enter data related to currency. Date and time. Date and time data type is used to enter date and time. You can select different date and time formats. Auto number. Auto number data type stores integers that are incremented automatically when a new record is added to the table. Yes or no data type. Yes or no data type can store only yes or no values. For example, true or false.